Good morning, my friends. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya, Sidegigcrafts. Guys, we have a finished journal here. I am so glad you're here because I would love to show this to you. And this journal needs to find a home. Look at this chunky monkey. She is beautiful. A lot of you have been joining me to see how she has been being created. And it's just been a fantastic little journey for this journal. I love, 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 love her. And I hope you do too. This journal, a lot of the prints are from digital kits from Shawcraft 1 in my old barn door. I actually printed this on fabric and sewed it on. It's got denim on here. It's got some beautiful lace. You can see the stitching in it. Look how big that is. It's bigger than my thumb. So, you know, width-wise, and she's just packed full of vintage ephemera, as well as the digital kit and different things that I just felt were treasures. We've got photos in here. We've got receipts in here. We've got beautiful, beautiful pages and lots of place to journal and add your own goodies. So let me show you about it. I'll stop talking and show you about it, or show it to you. Let's start with the first page, number 1. Got some pockets here. There's no place like home. This is definitely a little farm type journal. It is definitely fall themed. I just love all the pages and the pictures and the colors that are in here. This is a digital from Diane from my old barn door on Etsy. And she's even added a little safety pin and butterflies on there. Isn't that cute? The 1 is my edition. Got a little tuck here for pictures or what have you. This is a vintage photo that I've added in. Just thought that was a sweet addition. And again, I've left a lot of the pages blank. Not a lot of them, quite a few, to add your own art or photos or what have you. I feel like I don't want to finish the journal for you. That would be your place to put your special things, of course, and, you know, change mine up a bit if you like. And there's an old receipt there. Got some book page included. There's another, this is a stationery page. Here's a flip out. It says pumpkin patch. This one flips out so you can add photos. This is from Diane's digital kit in my old barn door. I've got a tag included in here with real leather tabs. It's got some of my jelly prints on it. You could add some photos or stickers. There's plenty of room to journal on the back. Did some hand sewing, or not hand sewing, did some sewing on there. So it's got lots of sewing. It's just got so many things. We've got some, I added some die cuts in here that could be used for decorative elements. I've got some envelopes and tucks, and I don't want to take everything out because I want it to be a fun surprise to open everything. But there's envelopes with things. We've got doilies and writing places and or paper doilies here. Some beautiful hand-dyed coffee paper or coffee-dyed papers. Plenty of room for writing. Here's some more receipts and book page. We've got a belly band here with some other goodies. I've got a cute photo. Look at these little girls. Aren't they darling? They look like they'd be out on the farm. That reminds me of my grandmother's home. That's why I wanted to put it in there with my cousins. This is from 1960. Wait, 150, 60. That's not true. So, because there is no 50, is there? Maybe it's 130, 60. I don't know. I didn't write it. But it's a darling little photo. Got some little ephemera, little envelope, little tag clipped on there. The rusted paper clip. Got a little paper sample here, waterfall. And some more papers here for notes and a little envelope. And the tucked behind this tag. This is also part of her digital kit. One of her digital kits. I've got several of them in here. I wouldn't be able to tell you which ones because I've mixed and matched. I've got a page for stickers there. Got a little envelope that's also, this came from something different. But there's note paper in here. This was not part of the digital kit. I was thinking it was, but it's not. I think that's something I purchased. A little tag in there. Got some more coffee dyed papers. Like I said, there's plenty of them in here. There's some vintage music paper. Wouldn't you have lots of room to write and add your own touches? Got a card here that I made that you can use for journaling, or write a message on it, send it to a friend if you like. There's another journal page or journal spot there. Some die cuts here to decorate the tabs. Another fall sticker sheet. Gorgeous pages here. We've got, this one is a flip out, and this is a giant music page. So it's all clear on the back side of this, or the front side of this one now. But this is all opens up. And then we've got a solid page here on the back. Some more writing paper. This is also a little flip out. And you can write on there, turn this into a pocket, put pictures on it, whatever you like. There's a book page. And receipt. This one also flips out. It's another music page. This is what part from the digital kit. This is a antique store shopping bag. I've added a big button and a doily on here. Open it up and there are some treats inside. A little card that I made with some map page. Flip that back that way. I've also used some of those leaf die cuts throughout the journal. Some blank pages for you. Lots of space for note taking. I thought they were fun to add in there. Another pocket with some goodies. So many pages. I had a lot of fun with this one. It just really was fun to just find all the fun things to put in here. Some old ads, Money Saver ads. Furniture company. This one flips up. I love the staining on this paper. That is real ephemera. I didn't stain that. That came that way. And it's autumn. Isn't that cool? Some book page. I added another photo in here. An outdoorsy photo. I imagined this might be fall somewhere. Thought it was very pretty. Let's put that in there. You can add your photos. You can take that out if you want to. You can move it however you want. Fall on the Farm. I added another one of my jelly prints. That beautiful pocket. You can add some photos once again. Maybe of your family. Maybe a project you're working on, your yard, your garden, whatever you like. Or leave it the way it is. Maybe put a sticker on it. Some die cuts. I don't know. Some more papers from the digital kits. This one is, I think this one's a flip out. Yeah, this one flips out. So there's a little note, little note spot, journaling spot here, kind of hidden. And it just folds back in. And there's a big owl there. Journaling spot here. This one just tucks in here and I have just clipped it in. Like a pocket. And there's a pocket over here. We've got some goodies in here, some tags and some papers. And then we've got signature number 3. Some more of the digital kit there, or a digital kit from Diane. This one is also a little flip out. So I've got it clipped shut with some goodies. This one opens up and you can put little trinkets in there. There's another photo. Thought she was beautiful. Add her in there. Got to share some of these photos that I've gotten. They're just so fun. You can add your photos or keep her in there, you know. It's up to you. Some beautiful pages, some flowers on this one. Some receipts. Lots and lots of room for journaling. There's a pocket here with some tags, journaling cards. There's a pocket here also. We've got a little journaling spot inside. This one also flips out to reveal, well, this is a pocket with another card in it. It flips out and reveals yet another pocket. You put your notes in there. Picking up stuff from my desk. And another pocket. Oops, I've missed a page. There's some more music. Any of this music is true vintage music. It's not printed. So that's all real ephemera. Beautiful. This one has a pocket here with some cards and a bookmark. There's a pocket on this side. This one's a layered pocket, so there's a pocket back here, and then there's a pocket up here in front. Another card that I made for journaling or what have you. There's a little envelope here. Another pocket with a little note card in there. You can put your photos over here and write about it. However you want to use that. Take it out, use it for something else. There's some more ephemera clipped here. This is just clipped shut. It's just folded in, so there's plenty of room to write on that back of that journal page. There's some goodies in this pocket as well. I'll just shove this thing full of goodies. Got some more book page, some more journaling spots there. Another pocket here. Actually, there's two. There's one here in front and one here in back with some tags in it. And a belly band back here. We've got an envelope and tags. And that old farm truck that we all love. Another pocket here. And a pocket here on the side. There's some goodies in there. Let's tuck that back in there so it stays down. And that's the end of the book. Isn't that amazing? I absolutely love this one. Guys, it's got a lot of interaction going on. There's a lot of fun things that you can do with this book, writing in it, adding your photos, just really creating and making it your own. I hope you love it. I hope if you're interested, go to Etsy. It will be posted on Etsy. It is for sale. So I hope that it goes to a new home that will really, really appreciate it. I think it's perfect timing right before fall. It can be used for a gratitude journal. Like, there's plenty of room to write in here and just really keep your memories. And I hope that somebody really, really treasures it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.